make it up before the dawn. It's getting hard as it gets higher. Isn't it beautiful and warm? We're climbing a mountain in a summer storm. I feel all of this as if I'm something 13,000 times. I don't wanna miss the forest for the trees, alternating between horrified and hopeful, a little bit happy and a little scared. Away, away, all the stars of yesterday. Alive, alive, is the firelight in your eyes that leads the way until the sun comes up. There's no way of knowing what lies up ahead, and it's getting hard as it gets higher. Isn't it beautiful and warm? We're climbing a mountain in a summer storm. I slip on out of this world and right into a dream. We can only see so far ahead. Things are never exactly as they seem, and through it all I wouldn't change a thing. Away, away, all the stars of yesterday. Alive, alive, firelight in your eyes that leads the way until the sun comes up. On the other side, from the top we'll watch the sunrise. It's been a dark night and the air is getting thin. Rest and share my oxygen so we can climb, and it'll all be worth it.